Now here's a great example of a photo that you might want to design on top of, and you want to concentrate on the window. But there's a lot of area in that photo that you just don't want to look at. We're going to show you how you can crop that off using our new crop feature. As I mentioned in the earlier lesson, you can use any one of the drawing tools to help you crop. Now in this case, I'm going to use the rectangle drawing tool, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Now that's been filled with a color, and I'm just going to remove that color. I did so by clicking on the Properties tab on the right side and clicking on the None option under Fill Color. There. You can size the area that you want to crop, just like that. And when you're ready to crop, remember to keep your Shift key depressed while you click on both your drawn object and the photo. Then click on your crop icon up here in the top. And there, you have just cropped that photo. I want to show you another great feature. In this case, we cropped our photo and we placed a design on top of it. But now we'd like to see what that window treatment is going to look like in the full room. But we've already cropped that photo. Well, we have a great new feature. We have a Reset Image feature. So highlight your photo that you cropped earlier and click on our Reset Image icon up here in your top toolbar. There, your image has been restored. And I can zoom out and take a look at that treatment in the context of the room. This is our last example on the photo crop feature, and an example as to why you want to look at the Edit Points lesson and how you might use it. I'm going to make a copy of this photo so that I can start cutting out that chair. And for this, I want to zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm going to cut out this chair, and again I'm going to use my Bezier tool. And I'm going to trace around this chair. And you can do it very quickly. And for most presentations, this is all you need to do. It's just a very quick trace. Now before you crop, you may decide that you want to refine those edges. Your Bezier tool will give you those sharp kind of corners, but you can smooth that out if you want to. Again, most of the times you don't need to, but you do have that option. Just go into our Edit Points mode, and then you can start moving around those points like that and use your handles to smooth out the curve. So that's why if you want to use this crop feature and if you want to get this sophisticated, make sure that you're looking at our Edit Points tutorial so you know how to manipulate those edit points. I'm going to zoom out and finish off this treatment. I go back into my normal default mode, which is the scale mode. I have my chair highlighted. I will keep my finger depressed on the Shift key while I click on the photo. Then I click on the crop icon, and there, very quickly, that chair was cut out. And I can move that chair right into place on top of my panel. And oh, that looks terrific. And it's so quick. You will love using the crop feature.